June 2020. What a month. At the beginning of the year, coronavirus and lockdown was very much a me problem. Now, I can't believe it's still going on. Madness. Of course, you know all about being locked indoors all day, don't you? So, to break the monotony of spending all of our time at home in the apartment, Jarlin and I went out this month to visit an apartment. So, me and the Jar went to a housing complex way down south, miles away from anything, by the way. We went there to look at Jarlin's apartment. Yeah, she has an apartment there. That said, it has yet to be renovated, but you know, it has all of the basics here. We've got rooms and floors and even a balcony. I bet you wouldn't survive jumping off that thing. I think my favourite thing here, though, is the view. If you look out this window, you can see this beautiful village over there. What do you think of the house, Jarlin? It's okay? Oh, okay. It could use a bit of work, though. Do you guys like houses? Oh, bye. And that is why I hate houses. Next up, I visit a house. A tea house. Now, I did actually make a video about tea houses last year, but you know what? That was basic. So I tried again.
I will buy ice cream later.
Teach me, tea master.
Prepare the water
Okay, so I have to pray to it.
and put it on the heat.
Okay, one heat coming up.
The third is to prepare the tea set.
Okay,
Yeah, we prepare
can I use the
Guy
expensive
work.
cup?
yes, you can go try.
Tea master, are you ignoring me for a phone call?
Eat with a sick. Legends
Tea master, everything appears to be in order. What do I do now?
waiting for the water and then pour the water into the bowl. That's one we just drink before. We don't need to wash.
Oh, should I wash anyway?
No wash, just pour it. Wow, I was wondering you can pour it. Okay, very good at. Hold on.
And next, do I need to
Share the tea into
who
different
do I
cups.
serve first?
The person who is in the right.
Okay, Jarlin, which is your cup?
This one.
Okay.
Yeah. From the left to the right. The left is respectful, most
I
respectful
respect Jarlin a lot.
position.
I respect the tea master as well,
Yeah, it's not need for you to.
but I have no respect for Xiao Din.
Okay, so your way to pour the water into the personal cup. Actually, we don't hold it to your.
Oh, I just
Yeah.
pour.
Yeah, just a pour.
Have I caused disrespect by touching the cup?
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh.
You pour into the cup.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
To yourself.
I
Not yourself. Which makes
I'm really sorry. I didn't know. Oh, do I pass you tea? Should I pass you your tea?
we can.
Oh, okay. Smells fine to me.
好喝，
好喝。
打死。
That's a fine cup of tea. Thank you, tea master. I couldn't have done it without you.
You do a good job. You really do a good job.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. If for some reason you'd like to see more of that, please check out the full video I did. It's been an unusually busy month this month for me. You know, I went to special guest Brosnan's birthday. I went to IKEA twice in 1 week. The food there's crazy. Would anyone want to see a full video of the weird Chinese food they serve at IKEA? And then, oh, there was an eclipse this month. Yeah. Total eclipse of the sun. Do you want to have a look? Yeah, this is the footage I took. Here in China, we also celebrate Dragon Boat Festival here in June. And we celebrate it with zongzi. To learn how to make my own zongzi, I visited an old friend. What you need to understand about these dumplings, these zongzi, is that they are more integral to Dragon Boat Day than the actual dragon boats. Which makes sense, because nobody loves Chinese food more than the Chinese. They don't call it Chinese food, they just call it food here. Anyway, to make these zongzi, we need to start with 2 leaves. And we put it in the shape of a dumpling by simply folding it like so. Oh my. Now we can put the stuffing in here.
Okay.
And we're using these tasty rice beans. Yummy. We've got to really pack it in. When we're happy with the amount of food in here, we just fold it over. It's all coming apart.
这样咋包啦？
Okay, little bit.
Once it's in this tight shape like this, we've got to put some string around it to tie it up. I need string, quick.
Strings. Here.
1 string, please. Okay.
How long is it?
I don't know, how long is a piece of string?
I think it's
I try to cover it here.
enough.
And then
Cross.
tie it up.
Cross.
It's like 50 Shades of Grey.
That's dirty.
我为什么包成？拿来嘛，拿来嘛。
看着好干净啊！
来嘛，对，你要接着。
And now we have a dumpling. We've got a hole, which isn't ideal. Some of the rice is going to come out of that, but that is a nice dumpling. Who wants to eat my dumpling? Okay, hello again, Jojo.
Hello.
I haven't seen you in so long. How have you been lately?
Very good.
I'm glad to hear
Without
it.
Oliver.
I see. So today we were making zongzi. Why?
Because the Dragon Boat Festival is close.
Oh, I see. And what is Dragon Boat Festival?
Dragon Boat Festival is one of the 3 most important traditional festivals in China. And which is originated from maybe 2,000 years ago.
2,000 years ago?
Yeah.
That is pretty old. What's so great about it?
They have the dragon boat racing, and after that, there is a very famous poet who is called Chu Yuan. Have you heard of that?
I've not heard of Chu
Chu
Yuan.
Yuan.
What did he do?
I think it's for him to introduce that to us.
I'm not ready yet. Okay, he's like a celebrity. He like the minister of some places, and in his dynasty, his king doesn't rule the country. His king doesn't take care of the country, and this man Xu Yuan feels so upset. he quit his job and returned to his hometown. And he feels so upset every day. And one day he couldn't feel more upset. That's why he jumped into the river and got drowned.
Oh.
So in order to memorize him, people throw the food into the river because he's living in their mind. He's still alive. In people's mind, his people honor him. And but people are worried that the fish would eat the rice that they throw into the river. That's why they put it in lids, like a heavy package. That's
Just like the zongzi we made.
yes, exactly the same food, so that the stones can, fall down to hit the bottom of the river where Xuan's sleeping. People
But-
call it sleeping.
But modern day Chinese don't want to waste food. So they just eat it themselves.
Well, in some specific places, people are still doing the same. They do the dragon boat, and some of them they still do it, but not so much.
Okay, where's our dragon boat?
Where is
Yeah, why don't we have a dragon boat?
we lead the river.
We live in Sichuan. There are 4 rivers here.
Because of the corona.
Oh, okay.
virus.
It's a real shame about the cloudy weather on the day of the eclipse, right? I really wanted to see the sun get blocked out, but not like that. Next month I get to renew my visa. That's really exciting. I get to find out if I'm allowed to stay or if I have to go. So yeah, fun times ahead for me. In the meantime, I guess I'll eat some of these zongzi. I personally think they're a bit overrated, but whatever. It's okay.